Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Friday Freebie Day. This is number 156. Now I've got this beautiful one for us today to do. We've got a lovely tag, so we've got a nice big tag there. I've got this which turns into a little corner pocket or a little corner tuck. I've got this little one which is a little pocket that goes onto the tag, and then I've got an extra tag there which you can either pop into the pocket or tuck on the other side of our little corner pocket there. So I am loving it. So I've got one ready to make up for you, but first of all I just want to show you this one. Now this is for our one-offs and monthly Ko-fi supporters, because I like to give a little extra to you as well. So this is a beautiful envelope and a little letter which will fold up and pop inside. So pop over to Ko-fi and pick that up. And I also wanted to just give you a quick flip through of the monthly kit for Ko-fi. So this is in the same style, so they all sort of like all match, mix and match together. Now I've got two, this is 8 pages together. We have got two beautiful portrait ones, which I'm just loving. I can't wait to make that into a big tall journal. Look at that, beautiful. And this one, loving them. Or I might even make a big journal as well with that one. We have, oops, upside down. We have 2 portrait, and then we have 3 landscape. So these are just gorgeous. Look at that, isn't that lovely? Loving it. We've got the postcards. We have some beautiful big tags, and we have some embellishments. So the Ko-fi monthly supporters can pop over and pick that up right now. Some of you have probably already got it anyway, because that went on yesterday or the day before. So what I want to do as well, I want to just show you here. Now this is me, I have cut them out. Now quickly as well, I've got lots of things to tell you today. I am going to be taking a break from the Friday Freebies, not from my videos, just from the Friday Freebies, because I need to, they do take up a lot of time to get ready and do and make videos and everything. So I just need, throughout August, I'm just going to take a little break from them. So I will be back in September. And also we are going to be doing in September a monthly newsletter, and the first one's going to be in September, so I'm really excited about that. So I need some time to do that as well. So please, there's a link under the video if you want to be part of the newsletter and see what's going on in our life and bits and pieces that we're going to be doing. Please do sign up. It's the links under the video. So that's going to be lots and lots of fun. So please do that. So Ko-fi will still be getting bits and pieces. So for me, not doing the Friday Freebies is not going to stop me doing anything for Ko-fi, because they are fabulous supporters and I couldn't do anything without you. It's amazing, but I have to start sort of doing things to make me a little bit of money, because we know what it's like, don't we? I spend lots and lots of time doing the Friday Freebies, and I just need to make a little bit of something here and there to keep me going. So I'm just going around the edges on these like this, just to ink them up. Now on this one I have sewn around it on here on these 2 tags, which I love. I'm just loving these. So I'm just inking that up. This is the little corner page tuck. So what we do, I've scored it down this little bit, this little triangle, just score that and score along there, or just fold it, and then these just fold in like that, and then this just sits on the top of your page. This little tab, or you don't need to fold that one, because that just sticks on there like that, and that pops onto your page, that we can pop the little tag into, or the big tag should I say. So I'm just going to ink this across. So okay guys, so if anybody's watching this that's not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you do, because things are a bit slow for me at the moment. It's getting a bit slow, so if you could just pop a little heart under the video if you're watching it, subscribe to my channel. It makes such a difference to me. It really does, so I really do appreciate that big time. So there we go. And don't forget, join the Facebook group as well. Links are all under the video, and then you can get your Friday freebies from there. You can get the last 10 weeks or so in the group, and the older ones are popped onto Etsy and in the Ko-fi shop in little sets of 4, so you can pick those up really cheaply. So that's good. So there we go guys, that is our little corner pocket. Now I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue down here and stick this together like that. So that's perfect. Look at that. Whoopsie daisy, love that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, so it sits like that because you've got the oranges coming down this way, so that sits on your page this way on the corner. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, I'm thinking I've got some little bits here, some little bit of my coffee stained lace, and I was thinking I might, before, this is the little pocket that sits on the bottom there. Now it's got the same picture, so we're not covering anything up. So that just blends in perfect like that. And what I thought I might do on this one is just pop the lace in there before I put this pocket on, so this sticks out the bottom. Now I've got a new 3-in-1 because my old one had gone really sticky and thick and horrible, and whatever I did, even diluting it with a little bit of acetone, wasn't working. So I've got a new one now, so there we go. I'm going to stick that down. Let's just chop that little bit off. There we go. Then I'm going to stick the little pocket on. So let's pop it on with a little bit of 3-in-1 like this. I'm so excited about the newsletter coming out. So Andy, myself and my beautiful daughter Emily will be doing that. So that's really exciting. So I can tell you all sorts of bits and pieces going on in that letter. And also there's going to be little bits and pieces for you to do and join in and things like that. So it's going to be really exciting to do. So yeah, please sign up. So it will be underneath the video. So I'm also, I think, shall I pop a little bit of that on there? That looks quite nice, doesn't it? So let's just cut this off. So have you guys got anything exciting planned for this weekend? I know some of you down under is winter time, but here in Portugal it's extremely hot, and I want to sort of enjoy it a little bit more. So I need to sort of, like, by not doing the Friday freebies, gives me a little bit more time just to enjoy the weather and being here in this beautiful country. So there we go, taking Jessie for a nice walk, going to go and have lunch in the beautiful restaurants that we have here down by the beach, trying to make the most of it this summer. So look at that, doesn't that look lovely? Love it. Now I think I'm going to leave this one, so this one can fit in the pocket there like that, which is lovely. Or on in here, when you pop it on the page, those two sort of go together really nicely. I might pop, I've got one in my Friday freebie book anyway, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to put this, look at that, doesn't that look nice? Just a little bit of trim down here, just a little bit. Now before you sew it, before you glue it together, you can also sew around this if you wanted to. So let's just stick that on like that. I'm going to cut this diagonally down there. Whoopsie daisy. So that sits on. I don't know whether I want anything on that side. I might just leave that side. But look at that. How simple is that? I think that looks really, really lovely. Now I'm going to show you. That's how easy it is to put together. So I'm going to take a Friday Freebie journal, and look, this is the one I put in there. So what I've done, this sits on the page, and what I did, I popped a little bit of glue on there like that on the actual page, so this doesn't come off. And then we can pop our tag in there like that. That sits in there. Now the idea was to put the little tag in the pocket, but I like it on this side. Oh, I put a little bit of trim on that side, look. But I like these match lovely, and I think that looks really, really good. So you're embellishing 2 pages at the same time, which is lovely, isn't it? But again, you can print these off as many times, can't you, and put them in your journals. But I just think that looks beautiful, and I hope you guys do too. So when you put it on your page like that, it just sits on the corner like that, which looks lovely, doesn't it? So you can just use this separately. You don't have to use all of these together. So that sits on there, and what I did, I just popped a little bit of tacky glue just at the top like that, just so this doesn't fall off. So that sticks on there. Press that down, and then it won't move, and then you can have your little tag just sitting inside. Again, you can have the little one this side. You don't have to have them. You can have a little letter in there. You can use, if you're a Ko-fi member, monthly member, you can use the papers and do something with those as well. Make little journals and pop it up inside. So there we go, guys. That is your lovely Friday freebie for this week, and I am loving it. I just love this design. I think it looks really, really pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So I now have 2. I'm going to pop this one, I think, in my other journal that I was making, which actually is this one, isn't it? Maybe I'll do this for next week. So this is my other one. This is the one I've been working on. So this one could come in there, couldn't it? And sit on there. Maybe I will do that. I love it because I think it goes really nice with vintage style, doesn't it? It's really, really lovely. So there we go. That's that one. That's that one. So thank you so much for joining me. Now again, please, I would love you to subscribe to the channel. I would love you to subscribe to my newsletter coming out in September. So yeah, links down below. There won't be any Friday freebies throughout the rest of August because, as I said, I'm going to take a little break. What else have we got? Don't forget to pop over to Ko-fi and print off your extra bits and pieces. And where is our Friday freebie? And this is what you'll get. So pop over to Facebook. All the links for everything are under the video anyway. So just take a little peek at that. Pop over, print this off. Even if you're not going to use it now, I would save it onto your computer or onto your device so you have it for the future. So you've got it there ready to go. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic weekend, a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you guys soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.